There's the famous Happo One ski resort right there. I mean, there's events and people from all over the world that travel here to ski on that slope right there. So there's the famous resort, and then you can see the long jump ski runs right here off to the left. Well guys, that's the Japan Alps right there. I'm in a town called Hakuba. It's a famous ski resort town, and Japan also had their Winter Olympics here. So there's a lot of tourism and major ski resorts, and as you can see, just a beautiful backdrop of the Japan Alps. Well, there's Lake Inawashiro in the very center of the country, and we have arrived at an RV resort place that we're going to spend the night at. I've flown over this lake 100 times flying up to northern Japan from Tokyo, and I've been around here, but my first time actually visiting this lake on the ground, and it is just a beautiful place. I'm gonna show you guys a trick. This is like this little small pea gravel, and when you're cooking, you know, you can't really control the heat too much when you're cooking on a stove like this. So all you got to do is once you get to the boiling point, you can just put some rocks on the top like this, and then you put your stove on the rocks like that, or your pot, and then now it just gives that little bit of airspace, but it throttles the fire down and the heat and the boiling effect. Alright guys, there it is. A big old plate of spaghetti out here in the woods. Nothing beats good food outdoors. Alright everybody, we are now at Lake Inawashiro. This will be the end of our trip. We're only like 5 hours from home, so we're just going to go ahead and push hard and drive all the way back today and finish this journey. It's been incredible. The places we've been to, the people we've met, the mountains, the scenery, the landscapes, just absolutely beautiful. Food, everything was just amazing. So and you know, I built my own camper van, as those that's been with me for a while. So you know, to build my own camper van, get it all registered and certified in a foreign country, and then be able to take it overlanding across the entire country is it's been quite an experience, one we've thoroughly enjoyed. And you know, the adventure's not over now. Northern Japan is full of beautiful places and mountains and camping, and you know, we're going to be doing a lot of that now that once we get back to our house up there. So anyway, appreciate everybody sticking with us. Well, there's the famous Mount Iwate-san in Iwate Prefecture. So we're only about 120 kilometers from home at this point.